Hello guys, Praveen here. So in this video I will show you the technique to work on your upper back especially because most of the time we are just focused on the lower back and we usually ignore the upper back. So this is the one reason our upper back, our shoulder is become very stiff and very tight. So I will give you the one technique. So you can take some blocks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and I am taking 8. It depends on your client flexibility. So in the beginning I am just taking the 8 blocks. Take like same in the camel position at the gap according to the block and slowly let your client drop her upper back and the shoulder on the block. Just adjust a bit. Yes. And drop your hands back. If in the beginning might be some members, some clients, they have their upper back is more stiff, so you can take the block maybe one more, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you can take one more. In the first round, we are just practicing with the 8 block. So here you can see. So this is supporting the upper back, and it's a very nice stretch. The one reason, the one technique, because in this position the upper back cannot be sink, cannot be hang, so it will give you a very good push for opening upper back, shoulder and the lungs. Let them hold even for half minute, even for 1 minute. Okay. Relax first. Yes. So if your client, if you are flexible, you can try a bit more. So you can try with a 7 block again. Same. Slowly, just support them. Yes, you can hold their hands. Let them push them. Maintaining that align your hip to knee, just align. No need to push it too much front and not too much to your side. So it's a very nice stretch, especially for your upper back. You will have a very good feeling to opening your lungs and your upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so relax. On the child pose, relax. So you can see that this is a very effective practice, especially in opening your upper back. I hope you understand and you can practice and you can enjoy this practice. Thank you very much.